Unboxing of the middle ETON black and silver. Let's open it with a knife.
Yeah, just to cut it open, alright? Watch yourself.
This is the owner taped to itself. It is. Oh, this is a bubble wrap.
Here,
Can you hold the phone?
Oh, of course.
You see this? Oh, we have one layer of bubble wrap, another layer, and another layer, and look like we have some of those, and someone actually taped to it.
I wonder who did all this taping. Who did it all?
Mama. This is like impossible. Remember? This is hey, at least I got some bubble wrap. If I do it today, if I didn't use it, then I think this is just for donor. Whoa, this one is good protection. I'm trying to see the video how I can do this. Now my dad just took over.
You are tearing through layers of bubble wrap.
What?
I just am impressed at the amount of layers of bubble wrap.
T-Boss. Now this is really good protection. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
I think you went through several layers of bubble wrap.
The owner did?
Yeah.
It is impossible. Oh my, we got to the radio. Guys, they were planning to go live, but then the live had been canceled. Anyway.
The live has been canceled? By whom?
Me.
Why?
Because we don't know how to go live.
Oh, that's right, I don't. No, you're right. I do not know how.
And we don't want to spend an extra, like 2 a.m. going live.
That's right.
I think, okay, here's the front, the back, the side, and the other side. Let me move on.
Okay, that was very quick. What's inside?
They come with everything.
Oh, manual.
Coming the way. Video.
What is that thing?
These. Look, can I come with these?
Let me see. Show me those again.
Those are things connected to this way. But
Oh, they're little speakers?
yeah. Oh, you can mount it on the wall.
Well, because that's going to happen.
Let's plug it in. Let's see if it does.
Oh, I like your technique. Just pull.
What?
Your technique is pull.
Nani.
And just pull apart the wire as opposed to just undoing the little tie.
Well, I like your technique. Why? These small things connect to the radio.
Alright. Whoa. You shouldn't.
This is trouble.
You should throw it at me. You're a cuckoo bird, I swear.
120 volts. 120 volts.
Well, that's the input. What's the output? What's below that? What numbers? Let me see.
Okay.
It says 5 volts DC, 150 milliamps. So it's a 5 volter. Most of ours are 6 volts or 9 volts.
Let me unplug one of these.
Unplug the white one for now, right?
What white one?
The white one is your alert works. Just you can hijack that one for a little bit, right? There you go. And plug it back in when you're done.
This is it?
No. It's on your lap.
This?
Oh, hold on. Right here. Just pull this one. We're going to have to get organized here, buddy.
Why?
A lot of AC adapters.
Look. Let me check if this stuff's a laptop, guys. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Nope, it doesn't. It doesn't do a laptop.
It doesn't do a firmware test?
Okay. Those are my dogs growling. It's a time.
Let me see. Put it right here so we can see what it's doing. Oh. Put it right here so we can see it.
District of Columbia, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has extended the flood warning for Central District of Columbia until...
Oh, we said it a channel.
Okay.
Gauge report.
Why don't you put it down so we can actually see what you're doing?
Farm one.
Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain.
Wait a minute, how are we going to set these up?
I don't know. We have to figure that out, don't we?
Menu. What did that say?
Let me see it.
How are we going to alert test?
It says alert siren.
Alert siren. Hit it.
No, I must have. Let me try again. Time setup. Oh, that's right away, I guess. Oh. DFAT siren. What's that? Country all alert siren. Oh, I see. Alert siren. Do you want?
Yeah. Yeah.
Siren voice. Siren voice. Which one?
Voice.
Oh, okay. Good then. Set up alarm. Set up time. Alert is on. That's all I got. I didn't find a test button. Well, I wasn't quite sure how to use it, but.
Why have it?
The flood warning remains in effect.
Huh.
The flood warning
It's getting a good signal.
Until this evening.
What do those numbers in the bottom do? Oh, let me see. I didn't see there was buttons on the side either. There's volume, WB alert. Oh, AM, FM, I see. So weather radio alert.
I have a question.
Weather radio broadcasting. AM, FM.
How we connect?
Begins to flood. Flood history.
Cool. Cool beans. Cool beans.
The time it. No, the time.
Here, we'll set it up. Why don't you say...
No.
No. Whoa. That's not right. 2:23 a.m. is not right. We got to fix that. It is 11:47, I believe. And here are the instructions right here, buddy.
May begin to pump.
ETON. I'm in a lot of dead air here, bud.
It hit.
Let me see. What are you trying to do?
Just time.
Here, let me do it. It was easy.
No.
It's just a little tricky. Your options are a little different because you have to hit right to engage how to do that. Right, and it's 11. What did I say? 47? 48 now. See? Done.
11:48.
There you go. See?
And how we find a look test?
All right.
No, look test.
Alert test. I couldn't find it. You have to read the instructions, okay?
Wait a minute. What these are for?
National Weather Service. For the following county, Charles, Maryland. Coastal flood advisory remains.
Not allowed.
Yeah, we have to put batteries in those satellite speakers, I guess.
How?
In Charles and King George counties, the hazardous weather.
How?
Here, let me see.
Let
That
me
was a
see.
long video, bud.
So she got, and this was it.
That was it, right? There we go.
Is it
Takes
like
3 batteries, which look like, what is that? Double A? Triple A? Something like that?
no? Pretty much it.
Or maybe, whatever. I don't know.
That was it. But wait.
That was it. And then the satellites work. They somehow link up. And a lot of the audio gone.
I'm guessing you link up to this.
La, 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 la,
So
la.
see you guys in the next
Okay.
one.
See you next one. Bye-bye.